Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Zapier's Code feature in just 5 minutes. Whether you're an automation novice or a tech-savvy expert, integrating Zapier's Code can enhance your automation process, allowing for greater customization and control. So let's dive right in and get started. This feature is ideal for anyone who wants to go beyond basic drag-and-drop automation and unlock advanced functionality inside Zapier. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Zapier's homepage. If you're not familiar with it, Zapier is a robust tool that automates processes and connects your favorite apps, making your digital life a little bit easier. Zapier supports thousands of integrations, so adding custom code allows you to fill in the gaps whenever an app doesn't have a built-in action or trigger. Once you're on the Zapier site, you'll see an option to log in, usually in the upper right corner. Click on that button. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. You can set one up quickly by following the prompts. The free plan is enough to experiment with simple automations, but if you plan on using the code feature frequently, a paid plan may offer more flexibility and runs. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Zapier homepage. This is your central hub for managing your zaps, what Zapier calls its automated workflows. From here, take your cursor to the top navigation bar and click on the option named Assets. This section is where you manage all your linked services, accounts, and custom scripts. Keeping this area organized makes it easier to troubleshoot or update your automations later on. Now it's time to focus on creating or editing a zap. For this, click on the Zaps section. This will take you to a new page where you can see a list of your existing zaps or start crafting a new one. To add an additional step, just click on the Add Steps button. This feature is especially useful for when you need to modify or expand your existing workflow. If you already have data flowing through earlier steps, the code block can read and transform that data however you want. At this point, search for code in the search bar. You're on the lookout for Code by Zapier, a handy tool that allows you to utilize custom code for more specific or complex tasks within your Zap. Once you spot it, go ahead and click to open it up. Zapier offers two coding environments, JavaScript for server-side Node.js style execution, and Python for lightweight scripting. Choose whichever language you're more comfortable with. Using Code by Zapier, you can implement JavaScript or Python scripts to perform tasks that go beyond simple drag-and-drop automations. With this feature, you can manipulate data, connect with unsupported apps, or apply complex logic. The possibilities are almost limitless for those with some coding expertise. For example, you can reformat dates, clean up messy data, validate inputs, calculate values, or conditionally route information before it moves to the next app. Remember, when you're integrating code blocks, understanding the basic logic and syntax of the programming language you choose is crucial. The Zapier interface provides some helpful hints and documentation to guide you through the process if you're new to coding or need a little refresher. They also include a built-in test window so you can preview your output instantly, which helps when debugging or adjusting your script. And there you have it. You've now taken the first steps towards harnessing the full power of Zapier's automation capabilities with custom code. Whether automating mundane tasks or bridging gaps between your favorite services, knowing how to implement code in Zapier can make your workflows more efficient and tailored to your unique needs. The more you experiment with small code snippets, the easier it becomes to build advanced automations without relying on external tools. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips, and leave any questions down in the comments. I'm here to help. Happy automating. And if you want me to create a full mini course on Zapier coding for beginners, let me know. I'd be happy to make it.